In this video, I'll show you how to blend two seasonal images into one. Start by going to the Elements tab. Search for a photo using the term Same Scene Different Seasons. Pick a suitable image and crop it as needed. Duplicate this image and crop out another season. Select the top picture and lower its transparency to about 50%. Carefully align the two images, focusing on elements that stay the same year-round. Return the top image's transparency to 100%. Go to the Apps section and search for Image Blender. Select the app. With the top image chosen, you will see the main options. The linear blend creates a straight transition between the two scenes. You can adjust its intensity for a soft fade from one season to the other. The radial effect creates a circular blend. You can resize the circle and control the transition strength. When you are happy with the blend, click Save. The images will merge into one. To finish, right-click the blended image and select Download Selection. Download your final creation as a PNG file.